what this is a like an extension that you would use if you have a ratchet and it's down inside of an engine and you need to get to like a certain angle, but you don't have enough room to get the like ratchet down in there. What you can do, I'm going to show you how to use this thing because this is really cool. I've got a ratchet right here. You just stick this around. By the way, this is a 3/8 driven ratchet. There is a chain that runs down there and goes around some teeth right here, and it turns the socket like that. Very cool concept. You have to have this little 3/8 kind of like adapter. What that is, it's a 3/8, and you just put that on just like that. Now check this out. So as I'm turning this, this is turning. Y'all see that? Watch this. So if there's like a spot that's very difficult to get to down inside of like an engine, you could put this on there, lock that on there, and then really kind of just ratchet it off right there. And if you need to, you can put like a screwdriver tip on there. That's like for a driver bit or screwdriver bit. This is from a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. And this is a 3/8 to a 1/4. So you've got a wide variety of like setups that you could use this for. This is something I recommend for anyone that's just needing to have something where they could fit down in tight spaces. You know what? Take off nuts and bolts that they normally couldn't access by any other means. Yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the offset extension wrench. See y'all in the next video.